All right, good morning, everyone. Today's discussion will be centered on step by step instructions for creating a Google form. This lesson is meant for PhD students that are taking ICT in education, that is, Information and Communication Technology in Education. The essence of this lesson is for the lecturer to guide his student on how to create a Google form that will help his student during research process. Student may use this form to collate or collect their data in the course of administering their instruments and so. So the essence is for us to at least acquaint ourselves with the process of Google Form. I'm going to use two different platforms for me to extend my message to the viewers and so. The first thing is the step-by-step slides that has to do with PowerPoint, and the second issue is my browser, Google browser that I'm going to use in order to get my information done correctly and successfully. Let me start with this. As you can see, my name is Usman Bakari from the Department of Counseling, Educational Psychology, and Human Development, Taraba State University. So let me start with the first step. You are expected to sign into your Google form or Google platform or Google browser. Open your web browser, go to HTTP. I can simply copy this. I'm copying it now. If I copy it, I'm going to paste it in my browser. So I'm now going to my browser. This is my browser. I'm expected to paste it here. Okay, I've pasted it already. So the next thing that I'm expected to do is to click enter. I've clicked enter. So the site is processing the form for me. As you can see, the tab is searching. It's telling us that okay, this is where I'm talking about new tab. So the new tab is searching the information for me, and the information is forms.google.com. So even if you didn't copy that one, if you come to this search or this address bar also, you can type this. So it appears that there is network problem, but the form is still, or the browser is still searching for the information so that we can make use of it. And let me tell you this, we have different ways of accessing our Google form. This is the first step that I've earmarked on the platform, and I'm going to use it as you can see. The next thing, you can use another form of getting the form. Let me just add another tab. So in this tab, you can see these icons. The next thing that you're expected to do is to locate your email address or the Google account. So you can see it here, Google Apps. So if you enter Google Apps, you can see Drive. If you take Drive, you can now go to that form that I'm talking about. So you can see the workplace now. So the next thing is for you to come to this new. So this is another form of getting it. But let us go back to what we have started already. We have pasted our uh, HTTP address here, and you can see what the Google Chrome has brought to us. So this is the form already. So what I want you to note, sometimes if you get this one, it gives you different things. Like this one now, if you say new, new will take you to many things. You can see this one is more advanced. So if you want to file your documents on the net, you want to keep some document on the net, you can click this file upload. So you can upload your documents, you can upload your pictures, you can upload your videos, you can upload your research as a student, PhD student, to avoid computer crash and so. So you can come to this place, file upload, you can do that. Or you come to this place, you can upload your folder that you have saved some information inside. So this one is Google Documents, as in Microsoft Word. So another thing is Google Sheet. This one has to do with Excel. Another one is Google Slide that has to do with PowerPoint. And this one is Google Videos. And not only this is the Google Form. So the Google Form is the one we are going to use. But this is a long process. Let us go back to this Google Form. As we've copied our URL, we pasted it here and it takes us to this place. So the next thing, we are expected to look at this blank form. You touch the blank form. If you touch it, it will process it for you. It's going to bring a new form for you so that you can write. So if you take a look at this, we have our new form now. So you are at liberty to edit this form. So if you take a look at it, let me just edit the form. Let us make it this way. What are we going to put here as in the name of this form? We can tag the name of this form, maybe psycho, okay, sorry, uh, uh, psy, psycho, psychological, psychological, uh, well-being, well-being, questionnaire, questionnaire. Okay, now this is the name of our instrument, so we can describe it here. Let us describe the instrument. So you are at liberty to describe the instrument. But before then, we can still go back and look at our slide here. What is the slide telling us? If you copy it, you log in into your Google account, which we have done it, and Google account that we are talking about, uh, as I've said, this is the Google account. This is my Google account. So this is my account. If you can see it, Google account, it has been written Google account. So this is where you are expected to come based on our slides. So from Google account, you are expected to move to next step. He said start a new form. So starting a new form is what we did here. We came here, we came here, we opened this one. But for you to follow this, you are coming here. You can see a sign of plus. So this is what we are going to use. On the home page, click blank form, which we have done it already. This icon to start the to start from scratch. So we have done it already. Or choose a template. You can see it here: feedback, quiz, registration, and so we have done it already. A new form will open in the editor. So this is the editor they are talking about. This is the editor they are talking about. So this is a new form in the editor. Aha. The next thing that we are expected to talk about is the next step. Step 3, enter the title and description. Enter the title and description. This is the title. So we are going to describe this title. So this is, we can say, this is this is a questionnaire. Questionnaire. Uh, this is a questionnaire meant for research only. Aha, research only. So the respondents, we can say research only. Aha, it has sections that a researcher that a respondent I'm sorry that a respondent is is expected is expected to fill also. So this is just a simple description. So we can still go to our slide and see the next instruction. Below it, you can add a description explaining the purpose of the form. We have explained the purpose of the form. We are now going to the next step. That is step 4, add question. Click the plus sign, add question, that is icon on the right side. So let us go there. Uh, this is our left side, but this is our right side. But before then, you can put a valid email address here. Valid email address here based on this, but this one is now inactive. Let us go to this side that is talking about. This is the plus sign that we are talking about. Already we have untitled question here. What do we supposed to do? We are expected to explain here section A. Let me do it this way. Section A. Okay, I'm coming, please. Section A. Okay, section A. Section A should be demographic information. Okay, now, so this is the first step. So down this we can put number one. You can say gender. Okay, here we can put our options. As we have written this one, we can come here and give the option to the respondent to either write short answer himself or write a paragraph himself, wrap a paragraph himself, multiple choice himself, checkbox. He can do that himself, drop down. So we can use this one. Let us use this one so that the respondent can select whichever one that best suits his gender. So here say add all. So I'm adding all. You can see male, female, prefer not to say anything. So this is the first question we have added successfully. Let us go back to our slides and look at it. What is the slide saying? Type your question, which we have done it already. Choose a question type. We have done it already from the down, drop down, multiple choice, start answer, checkbox, drop down, linear. So this is what they are talking about. Let me show you. This is the place they are talking about. You can see it starting with short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, file upload, and what have you. Let us go back to our slides. Okay, here we said enter answer options if required. We have done it. We have entered our options, male and female. You can see it here, male and female, male, female. Okay, let us make it uniform so that it will look capital letter. But this one we can just leave it like this. We don't like the first one, the last one. We can just leave these ones like this. We are okay with this. So going to our slide now. He said use the duplicate or delete icon if needed. I have done it already. I have deleted some. You can see this one. This is remove. If you don't want to see this, you can touch this one and you can remove it. Let me just do it and see. Okay, you can see I have removed that one. So we are good to go. We can go with that one. All right. The next slide talks about step 5, customize question settings. Toggle required. If you want a question to be compulsory, click the three dots to add extra options such as description or response validation. Let us look at it. If you look at it very well, you can see this one. Look at the dot they are talking about, that you can describe the instruction that they are talking about. Go to section based on answer or shuffle the order. You can do it that way as a programmer also. Okay, now let us take the next option so that here we can say age. Here we can write the option for the here we can allow the person to write his age, or we can just put it for him. Let him, maybe we can allow him to write it himself. If we choose this one, choose a short answer, it will allow the respondent to tell you his whatever. But if you customize it like this one, or this one, check boxes, it will allow him to check his or to take his age. Let us use this one and see what are we going to get. Okay, now age, now we can say from, so we are talking about psychological well-being. Okay, let us use university student. A university student is supposed to have like 15, 15 to 20, 25 years. Okay, that's number one. We can say 26 to 30 years. Okay, this one we can say 31 to 40 years. Okay, now this one should be 41 to 50 years. So this is our these are options that we're expected to use. So now you have your option. The respondent will see it as a box that he may take. So next thing we can say location. Location. We are still in section A. Don't forget, please. We are still in section A. Section A. We are still in section A. So we are talking about sorry, please. This is a mistake. So here, location. Now we can now use the drop down option. Maybe the person will say rural area, rural area. Number two, he may say urban area, urban area. So these are some of the things that we are expected to learn. We can now draw a curtain here by saying that we are done with section A. We are now moving to section B. So here you have option. You can decide to cut off this. This is where you are expected to touch. You can see it here, add section. So if you touch this one, automatically section A will be cut off from section B. So we are going to look at it this way. Let us touch this one. I'm touching it. So you can see already we have separate uh, uh, sections. This is section 2 now. So we can title the section now. This one should be maybe uh, self acceptance, 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 self acceptance. So we can make it that way, self acceptance. So here we describe it for the respondent. This is or these. Okay, let me put it this way. These are okay, the below items, the items below. Okay, the items. Okay, let me put it this way. The items below best, sorry, best, best, sorry, best describe, best describe, best describe self self acceptance, acceptance of client, of our clients, self acceptance of a client. Okay, now so we are going to write some items here. So now for us to avoid back and forth, let us ask AI to generate items on self acceptance for us. So we are now talking about you can feed the AI information of psychological well-being. You can say generate generate items items on uh, psy, psychological psychological well-being, well-being, well-being. Generate items on psychological well-being, taken into cognizance, taken into cognizance, cognizance, uh, self. Okay, excuse me. Self. Okay, let me put it this way. Self. acceptance, self-acceptance, self-acceptance as a component. Yes, as a component, as a component. We can put it this way. Okay, now. Okay, but we are not specific here. Component as a component, as a component, as a component. Okay, we can say generate 10. We can say generate maybe five items. It should not be more than five because we are trying to run out this one. Okay, let me give AI instruction now to generate this. AI, generate this for me. Okay, AI is saying that here are five items on psychological well-being, focusing on the component self acceptance. You can see I feel good about myself despite my weaknesses and shortcomings. So we can simply copy this one. Let us do it this way. But let me advise, sometimes you cannot just use AI generated information like this. You are expected to come to these killbots. You can see killbot here. You can come to killbot. Maybe let me do it this way. You can come to killbot and ask killbot to what? To at least help you fine tune these information, or fine tune what you are trying to. Okay, let us ask killbot to do that for us. Already, okay, killbot wants to get my information before it will take me to the work space also. All right, so this one will take us uh, uh, um, a long process. Let us just use it here. So now we are in section B. We are talking about generating information that have to do with self-acceptance. So number one is what? Here we are going to put this option, that is we stop at number 3 there. So here we are going to start with number 4 because of the so you can see it here. I feel good about myself. So what should be the option? We can ask already. AI said, "Would you like me to make them in a Likert scale formal? Strongly agree, and what have you." So we can make it that way. Strongly agree. We can give our okay here. We say Google form, give us option of so here we can write the options ourselves. We say uh checkbox. Here we say strongly agree. So here you can see what the option here is telling you. Add all, you can say yes. You can say yes, add all. So if you add all, it will just come automatically without you suffering yourself. You can see strongly agree, neutral, disagree, strongly disagree. So this is the option given to you. You can make it like this. This is compulsory, respond, maybe validation. Okay, can we take it? Okay, all right. Let us take the second one and say, you see, select at least. You can see this, select at most, select exactly. So these are options that you can simply give to that particular instruction. Let us take the second item who is here, which is here. The second item is I accept all aspects of my. Okay, now let us copy it. We take it to Google form here. We are now going to add another question. So if you want to add another question, as I've said earlier, this is where you're expected to touch. So you can see now this should be number 5, since we are done with number 4. Or this is the option. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the question. So we can now ask yes, we can ask Google form now to label it for us option. So option A to 5. So we have started using our options by saying that these are linear Sorry, these are linear scale, but our own here we want to give it a checkbox. So we said strongly, sorry, strongly agree. Okay, strongly agree. You can see it here. The option is telling you now add all. Yes, if you say add all, it will correct it for you and add it all for you. So let us touch it. Okay, let me click it. Okay, you can see it now. uh our option here has been added successfully. We can now move to item number 3. Let us take the question from our uh, from our chat GPT. Already the chat GPT has developed the items for us. Let me copy it and take it back to Google Form. Okay, now this is where, so this one should be number 6. So number 6 said I have learned. How you can see already automatically is there for me. So I'm just going to click. It will just add uh, the items for me, or the scale for me, please. I'm sorry, it's a scale. So here we are going to take this one. We take it this way. Okay, we copy it. That should be number 7. We are now taking number 7. We are taking number 7. We are taking number 7. A new option will come to us, and we have taken it. You can see it. So this one is going to give us option strongly. All right, add all. So if I add all, it will just go directly and give me say add all. Yes, add all. Sorry, this is not the type, or this is not the option I'm looking for. Strongly scale, sorry, strongly agree. Strongly agree. You can see it here. So just add all. It will just add it automatically for you. So we can now go to our slide and look at it. Slide number 7 says add sections or media optional. I have said it. This is where you are expected to add your section. This place, you can add your section here. If you touch it, it will add a new section for you. Click the image or video icon to insert picture. So here, we are going to click uh, video. This is a video, and this is image. Let me just click image and see what is going to come out. You say browse. You can browse from your computer. You can browse from your computer. Let me just check. Maybe I have pictures here. I have picture, but I don't want to use this one. Let me check from my desktop. Let me check from my desktop. Maybe I have pictures here. Yes. Let me just make good. It seems I have okay. Let me just touch one of the document so that I will get a picture there. It seems I don't have picture there. Let me just use what I was saying I will not use. Okay, can we check this one? No picture inside. So can we pick this one? Yes, we are picking it now. You can see it's adding it or it's uploading it for me. So it's coming. You can see my picture here. It has come already. So if I don't want to see this picture, I can remove it like this. I've removed it. Let me just put another picture if I so wish. Let me see. They said webcam by URL photos. Let's see. And Google image. Okay, now can we check the Google? So I may have it in my Google Drive. Let me check my photos. I know I have different photos here. I have different photos here. I have different photos here. I can simply pick one of the pictures that best suits my interest. One of the pictures that best suits my interest. One of the pictures that best suits my interest. I'm still checking the pictures, please. Uh, I'm still checking the pictures, please. Let me check this one and see. Maybe this one it will work. All right now. Aha, let me see whether the picture is nice. Yes, the picture is good. We are good to go. Can we put the title of this picture? Yes. Uh, Dr. Osman Bakari, sorry, Bakari, the researcher. Okay, now, so we have done it already. You can still put a video. Let us see how we can put a video. Okay, you can select from YouTube. Uh-huh. YouTube. Let's see. Okay, Usman Bakari, Ph.D. Okay, let's see now. You can see who is Dr. Usman Bakari has come, and you can see different pictures here. But let's just pick this one. Who is Dr. Bakari? We have incited this one, a researcher, sorry, researcher, researcher. All right, now we are done with this. So you can insert or import questions yourself. Here you can add titles and descriptions. Here you can add image. So let's see how we can import questions here, please. We can do that. Nobody will stop us from doing that. Okay, these are options we have. These are some of the questions I prepare some years back. Let us take this one. Career interest question. Okay, now. So, okay, now. Select all and import question. I have selected all. So it's just a matter of within a twinkle of an eye, you see different options. But these ones are somehow not related to these. I can remove it since it's not something that is related to what we are talking about. I'm so sorry to have brought something like this, please. We can delete it this way. We can remove it. As you can see, I'm removing it. So if you make mistake, it's very simple. You can remove it without wasting much of your time. So good, good. So we are coming to where we were talking about. Good. So you can see. All right. So now I can go back to my slide and see what the slide is talking about. We are done with adding images. Now we are taking number 8. Customize the design. You can customize it by clicking the palette icon at the top. So can we go there and click the palette icon at the top? You can see it here. Here we have different options that we can at least check. So choose a theme color, background and font. So if you go back like this one now, you can check, you can select the style of write-up. Maybe you can change the background. Just check this place. If I touch the background picture, you can see it may change. You can see it is changing. This one is red. This one is green, and so you can even make the background like that. Okay, excuse me. All right, let us preview and see. This is our psychological well-being questionnaire. You can see it this way. Let us go back again and look at it. This is preview. This is copy respondent link. This is share. So let us publish it. But before publishing it, let us make some. Let us make it this way. Yes. So send respondent a copy of their response. So this is research. You don't need to send it to the respondent. Okay, you don't need to send it to the respondent. What you're expected to do, you can even tell the respondent yourself that no need of him having access to this. So okay, now you can allow the respondent to make corrections. Yes, this one is okay. Allow respondent editing. Yes, you can allow the respondent to edit. But this one is not active. Okay, it's not active. All right, but this is an option. If you are on, will be active. This is how you're going to do it. So now, responses. If you have sent it to them and they have responded, you will see it here. Okay, you will see it here. You will see it here. So what we are going to do now, we have to publish it. If we didn't publish it, it's very difficult for us. So let us publish it. Okay, before then, let us check our instruction here. You can also upload a header. Already we are done with that one. We are done with that one. Good. So you can upload a header. Adjust form setting, click here. This is the icon that you are going to click. General tab, choose respondent. Presentation tab, quizzes tab, I have shown it to you. This preview your form, I have done it. Where we can see the sign of eye or of an eye. You can see it here. This is where they are talking about preview your form. The next thing is step 10, send and share form. You can send, click send button, top right. You can uh, uh, share via email, link, embedded HTML code also. The last thing that we are expected to do is view respondents. You can view respondent as I've said it here. You can view respondent here. But now we have to publish it. Let me publish. You can see it here. Anyone with link can respond. So you can customize it here. If you don't want people to respond, or you want to give them restriction, maybe you are the only person, you can restrict it to yourself. Are you getting it? But here, publish to form, accept respondent. Okay, we can do it this way. We can publish it. Anybody with the link can fill it. Okay, now, so this is the URL. It has already created a URL for us. So we can, if the URL is long, we can shorten it here. You can see it here. It has shortened our URL. Though you can copy it here. Copy. I've copied it. Let me go to my WhatsApp and paste it there. Let me go to my WhatsApp and paste it there. This is where I'll paste my form. I pasted the form now. Let me test the form. Let me test the form by clicking on the form to see whether Google will respond to my you can see the form. The form is ready now. I've sent it to WhatsApp. You can see the option that the form is giving me. So this is the end of our class today. I believe in our next class we are going to talk very well on this issue in such a way that PhD students will know how to develop their instrument using Google Form. Thank you.